Good afternoon, everybody. Today is currently Monday, June 2nd. I apologize. I said that I'm going to put this earlier this morning, but I was a little bit busy this afternoon and this morning, so I'm posting it now because we still aren't seeing any major, conditions in Oklahoma. Well, okay, so we have an enhanced risk for severe weather. That includes Guymon, only the Oklahoma Panhandle, and just a little bit of western Oklahoma. Then we have a slight risk around that includes, Woodward, a little bit more western Oklahoma. And then we have a marginal risk for severe weather that includes central Oklahoma. And then, it moves on. So, today we're going to be breaking down the severe threat and seeing what we could see over the next few hours. Thankfully, we seem to be looking at no tornadoes possible in our viewing area, but that could be updated after this video is posted. So, just because you're not in any threat for tornadoes, you still need to be looking out for a possible tornado threat later on, or they could update that to actually have a 2% for the Panhandle. Maybe even include Woodward a little bit. But that seems to be not the case for our wind outlook. We can see a 30% hatched for damaging winds. That includes the Oklahoma Panhandle and just a little snip of western Oklahoma. And then around that, we have let's see, what is that? A slight hatch, whatever it is. I think, 15 hatched. That includes Woodward, all those areas. The bit more of a clip of northern Oklahoma, not northern Oklahoma, western Oklahoma. Or I should say northwestern Oklahoma, because it's kind of in that area. Okay, here we are looking at the hail outlook. We're seeing a 15% for the Panhandle of Oklahoma. Certainly, this is our second lowest threat. So, the hail is the biggest, the damaging winds is the biggest threat today, and the tornado is the smallest. So, we're looking at some damaging winds we're looking at some large hail possible anywhere in a good portion of that Oklahoma Panhandle. So, we need everybody looking out there. Alright, let's take a look at what our radar could look like over today and tonight. So, around 4 p.m., we're going to be seeing around 4 p.m., 6 p.m. is going to be the prime time. The storms are going to enter the last county of the Panhandle as they approach Woodward. And then they'll just fizzle. They'll just fizzle near Woodward. But then they'll form up again as they on their approach to Oklahoma City. Ponca City, Pawnee could get slammed. Even Oklahoma City, we could see some rain in Oklahoma City. But look at Tulsa area. Tulsa area is experiencing some possible hail. But that's tomorrow morning. So these storms are going to be a nocturnal event. So we need everybody in those areas looking out. Alright, everyone. Thank you for watching this severe weather update. Make sure you are watching out if you're in the Panhandle of Oklahoma tonight, and a little bit of northwestern Oklahoma, just because we could see a lot of severe weather, because we're really in the primed area over all the U.S. Well, I hope you all stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next video.